If you're a cat owner, listen up. These 5 mistakes could be driving your kitty crazy. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, giving your cat milk. Yep, it's a myth. Most cats are lactose intolerant. Stick to water, folks. Number 2, ignoring the litter box. Cats love a clean toilet, just like you do. Scoop it daily or face the wrath of a smelly protest. Mistake 3, skipping playtime. Your cat isn't a couch potato. They need action and adventure to stay happy. Break out those toys. Number 4, overfeeding. Cats may give you those feed me eyes, but resist. Keep them fit and trim with proper portions. Last but not least, mistake number 5, neglecting vet visits. Cats are masters at hiding illness. Regular checkups can save their 9 lives. So avoid these mistakes and keep your kitty purring. Happy cat, happy life. Thanks for watching, and give your feline friend an extra pat from me.